Here's how we can write a perfectly formatted paper using PERRLA in just 4 steps. First, we'll create a paper. Then we'll create our references. After that, we'll need to write the body and create our citations. Lastly, once we're finished, we can turn our paper in. PERRLA makes starting a new paper simple by creating and formatting the entire document for you, including text styles, spacing, headers, and layout. If you're using the PERRLA add-in for Microsoft Word, you'll open Word, go to the PERRLA ribbon tab, and then select the new paper icon. Once you've chosen the kind of paper you want, fill in the basic information and click the Create button. If you're using our web application PERRLA Online, it's just as simple. Log in from your web browser and then click the Create New button at the top of the page and select Paper. Choose the type of paper you need, fill in the appropriate information, and click the Create button. Just like before, we'll format and open your new paper for you. And that's all there is to it. Now, let's add our references. This works the same way in both PERRLA for Word and PERRLA Online. First, we'll open up the References and Citations panel from the PERRLA ribbon menu. Then we'll click Create a New Reference. If we're trying to create a book, journal article, or website reference, we can search for the references information with the DOI, ISBN, URL, or author and title. For all the other reference types, we can use the All Types tab to select the reference type we need. We're creating a journal article, so let's try searching for its information using its DOI. We'll enter or paste the DOI from the article into PERRLA and click Search. PERRLA will locate the article's information and fill it into the reference form for us. We can review the reference's information for accuracy and see a preview of the final reference at the bottom of the panel. Since this reference looks great already, we can click Next. Here, we can add some additional information about our reference, but since it's all optional, let's click Create. That's it. PERRLA's created our new reference, properly sorted it into our paper's reference section, and listed it in the References and Citations panel. Okay, now we need to get some text into the body of our paper. While PERRLA won't do the writing for you, it does provide us with all the tools to make writing easier, like handling citations. At the end of this paragraph, we've got a great quote that we need to cite, so we'll place our cursor where we want the citation to appear. Then we'll go to the References and Citations panel and click Add Citation beneath the reference we need to cite. Now we can enter the citation's information and see a preview of what the citation is going to look like. This looks great, so we can click the Create button to have PERRLA generate our citation for us, adding it to our paper. Now, in addition to citations, you can add abstracts, table of contents, appendices, tables, figures, and text headings using PERRLA. And like everything PERRLA does, it follows all of the formatting rules perfectly. Okay, now for the best part, turning our paper in and moving on with our life. If we use the PERRLA for Word add-in, then our paper is a completely normal Word document. We can print, email, or upload it just like any other Word document. If we use the PERRLA Online Editor, then we can export the paper as a Word document to turn in. No matter what, the final product is a perfectly formatted paper, just like you'd expect. And that's how PERRLA can help you make it through your next paper. We handle the formatting for you. We'll set up your paper, format the references, insert your citations, and take care of all of the APA and MLA rules so you don't have to. So, why don't you stop worrying about the formatting and let PERRLA do it for you?